Good morning, students. Today we are going to do some problems related with Boyle's law. State Boyle's law. At constant temperature, the volume of a given mass of dry gas is inversely proportional to the pressure. So write down the first question. At constant temperature, a gas occupies a volume of 2000 centimeter cube at a pressure of 740 millimeters of mercury. Find at what pressure its volume will be 500 centimeter cube. And the question is given that at constant temperature, which means we can apply Boyle's law. At constant temperature, a gas occupies a volume. So initial volume is P1, 2000 centimeter cube. At a pressure P1 is equal to 740 millimeters of mercury. Then find at what pressure. At what pressure meaning the pressure is unknown. Pressure unknown. There we write X. Here the unit is given as millimeters of mercury. So here also we can write it as X millimeters of mercury at a volume of 500 centimeter cube. So first write the data. Then write the equation. The equation, Boyle's law equation is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 at constant temperature. In this question, which parameter is unknown? P2 is unknown. So write the expression for P2. P2 is equal to P1 V1 divided by take the V2 to the denominator. And then substitute the values. P1 is equal to, write out the value. So cancel out the same units. Then after solving, the answer is 2960 millimeters of mercury. And write result, the final volume, final pressure P2 is equal to 2960 millimeters of mercury. Write the second question. A gas occupies an initial volume of 400 centimeter cube at a pressure Z. If the pressure is changed to 5 atmosphere, the volume of the gas was found to be 200 centimeter cube. Calculate the value of Z. So read the question and then write the values. So in the given problem, the data or the values given are initial volume V1 is equal to 400 centimeter cube. Initial pressure is given as Z unknown and final volume 200 centimeter cube and final pressure is 5 atmosphere. At constant temperature, by Boyle's law, write the equation. By Boyle's law, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. And which parameter is unknown? Initial pressure P1 is unknown. So write the equation for P1. From this expression, P1 is equal to P2 V2 divided by P1. Then substitute the values. P2 is equal to 5 atmosphere, 5 atm into P2 is 200 centimeter cube divided by V1 is equal to 400 centimeter cube. So the answer is 2.5 atmosphere. 2.5 atmosphere. Result, the initial pressure P1 is equal to 2.5 atmosphere. Next write question number 3. Calculate the pressure of 2.5 liters of dry hydrogen gas if it occupies a volume of 3 liters at 1.2 atmosphere. Assume that the temperature remains constant. Write down the question and then write the data. In the given question, the initial pressure P1 is unknown. P1 is X atmosphere and it occupies a volume of 2.5 liters. And the final pressure P2 is 1.2 atmosphere and final volume of the gas is 3 liters at a constant temperature. So at a constant temperature, can use Boyle's law to calculate the unknown pressure. So according to Boyle's law, write Boyle's law equation. By Boyle's law, we can write P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 at constant temperature. Then which parameter is unknown? Initial pressure unknown. So initial pressure unknown. Therefore, write expression for P1. P1 is equal to P2 V2 divided by P1, which is equal to, for P2 is 1.2 atmosphere into volume V2 is 3 liter divided by initial volume is 2.5 liter. Then the answer is 1.44 atmosphere. Answer 1.44 atmosphere. And at last write the result. The unknown quantity is initial pressure. The initial pressure of the gas is equal to 1.44 atmospheres. The next question number 4. Write down the question. The volume of certain gas was found to be 400 centimeter cube when the pressure was 520 millimeters of mercury. If the pressure is increased by 30%, find the new volume of the gas. So read the question and find the answer. In this question, at constant temperature, the volume of a certain gas was found to be 400 centimeter cube. So the initial volume is 400 centimeter cube. That is V1 is equal to 400 centimeter cube. And at a pressure of 520 millimeters of mercury. So V1 is equal to 520 millimeters of mercury. And if the pressure is increased by 30%, find the new volume. So V2 unknown, V2 is equal to X centimeter cube. Calculate the final volume if the pressure is increased by 30% of the initial pressure. So first we are going to calculate the 30% of 520. That is 30% of initial pressure. That is 520 into 30 divided by 100. Which is equal to 52 into 3. The answer is 156. So, the 30% of 520 is 156. Then what is the final pressure? The initial pressure is 520. Then 520 plus, if the pressure is increased by 30%. So, add the 30% of 520 to the initial pressure. So 30% of 520 is 156. So 520 plus 156 is the final pressure P2. So increased by 30% means calculate 30% of the initial pressure and add the value along with the initial pressure, which gives the final pressure. The answer is 676 millimeters of mercury. The final pressure. Then the question, final volume is unknown. So by Boyle's law we can write V1 is equal to, write the equation, V1 is equal to P2 V2. Then final volume is unknown. So write the equation for final volume V2, P1 divided by P2. Then substitute the values. P1 is 400 centimeter cube into V1 is 400, P1 is 520 millimeters of mercury divided by final pressure is 676 millimeters of mercury. The answer is 307.69 centimeter cube.